Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Yamaha FZ6. This is a really cool, upright, naked style bike with a half fairing, 4-cylinder, 600cc, liquid cooled. This bike is so great looking, and it's only $49.99. It's got a really awesome sounding exhaust system on there. Scorpion exhaust. Comes with a center stand too, so you can adjust your chain and maintain the chain. Nice, comfortable, upright riding position with a sporty look. New tires, front and rear. This bike is awesome. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Let me fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.